Dr. Rashim runs a core lab facility with a staff of scientists and techs running assays for many collaborators from every corner of her organization. A frequent partner, Dr. Layton, has several experimental questions he'd like answered concerning a tissue sample from a mouse model. He needs to know how and where the mouse model is metabolizing several drug candidates, and asks for Dr. Rashim's suggestion on the best way to track certain metabolites. With Shimadzu's iMScope QT, the core has the perfect instrument to fulfill all of Dr. Layton's needs. iMScope QT is a dual-purpose instrument combining optical microscopy with atmospheric pressure multi-quadruple time of flight or QTOF, mass spectrometry, and LC-MS QTOF, so users can easily see and intuitively understand what molecular components are present within a tissue sample, as well as their distribution and concentration levels throughout the tissue. Using the optical imagery, operators can quickly define the contours of a target and easily isolate a specific morphological area for target MSI scans. With both offerings in the same instrument, optical and mass spec data can be captured across several magnifications without user intervention. In fact, analyses can be scaled from the entire sample to microscopic regions with a resolution of 5 micrometers at almost 50 pixels per second. This speed and alignment accuracy allows the core facility to increase throughput, running more samples for more collaborators without sacrificing data quality, letting the lab produce results in a matter of days instead of months. The iMScope QT also reduces the barrier to use by offering a user-friendly graphic interface. Setting up an imaging experiment from microscopic observation to MSI measurement can be managed by users with little experience. And the resulting microscope imagery and mass spec data's positioning corresponds accurately, removing the need to adjust their alignment. When further analysis needs to be performed, the iMScope QT is easily attached and detached to the LC-MS 9030, a QTOF mass spectrometer that can confirm the structure of molecules detected in mass spec imaging and analyze them quantitatively. And for easier sample preparation, Shimadzu offers the iMLayer matrix deposition system and iMLayer Aero automatic sprayer for moldy imaging. With these two tabletop instruments, sample prep can be done with minimal training, increasing accuracy, reducing human error, and enhancing repeatability. Altogether, the iMScope QT's subcellular pixel resolution, high accuracy, ease of sample preparation, and user-friendly interface simplifies a previously arduous set of tasks into a routine workflow. It's the complete solution. The iMScope QT is a robust tool for traditional mass spectrometry imaging experiments such as biomarker tracking, pharmacokinetics, and ADME studies. But its versatility opens its usefulness up to entirely new industries, including chemical products, food engineering, forensic sciences, and more. With the iMScope QT, Dr. Rashim's team is processing more samples for collaborators and increasing their productivity, resulting in a higher publication rate, more opportunities, and increased grant funding. What can it do for you? Visit the Shimadzu website today to see more ways the iMScope QT can accelerate your science.